Hey everybody, this is Glenn Garnes bringing you an important update from the Village Connector community. I wanted you to know that I was going to send out an email blast to let people know about some of the new things that are going on with Village Connector, but there's so much stuff that lends itself to a video that I thought it would be more fun to actually have you see it because it has such a major impact on you when you actually see what we've done. For our participating merchants, let me start off by saying that we've created a new feature within Village Connector community, which is the social network for the whole community, that allows you to basically create the equivalent of a Facebook fan page on steroids. And what I mean by that is that our system of allowing fan pages to be created is much more powerful than even what Facebook has right now. Let me show you what you can do with your new fan page. For one thing, when you come into the social network, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Community Market, because the only people that are going to be allowed to have fan pages in here are the merchants that have supported their community by joining this program. So for one thing, you're going to be exclusive compared to what you find on Facebook where just anyone can create a fan page. So when you click on Community Market, the first thing that you're going to see that's different is the fact that here we have a directory that actually features your fan pages organized categorically. Now you can see there's only two categories up here right now, but as you begin filling in the gaps, as you begin adding your fan pages and selecting the category for your industry, like plumber, electrician, financial planner, health and wellness, whatever it might be, as you start filling in those categories, that directory section is going to fill in too. And when we're done, when all the categories are represented, it'll be a nice little categorically organized directory that allows people to quickly identify the fan page types that they'd like to see. And that'll be a very, very easy way for people coming in here to find a way to do business with you and to, of course, take advantage of special promotions and things of that nature that you have going on. So let's take a look at the fan page that I've created for Village Connector just as an example. As you can see, it's organized, they're organized categorically, but when you open up the fan page itself, it looks just like a profile. Now, it's a lot easier to create than a profile. Not that profiles are difficult, but it only takes a few seconds to create this, so you don't need an email address and all that kind of stuff. But you can see that you have a feed here for updates, so that just like on your news feed and your fan page over at Facebook, it has a place for updates. It has an info section, just like your fan page on Facebook. It has a more detailed overview where you can put as much information in here as you want. It even has a map which will locate you on the map. Unlike Facebook and some of the other social networks, though, you can actually organize your photographs and your videos under separate tabs so that, let's say, for example, you had 5 or 6 videos under here. Instead of having someone have to sift through your news feed to find the videos, they can click on one tab and see them all. And that lends itself to being able to have instructional videos or update videos or just information you'd want people to know. Now, if you take the time to produce a video and pop it up on the YouTube, you can put the link here, right here on the YouTube. It's very simple to do this. All you have to do is to write a description of the, you simply write a description, a title, a description, and then well, this one's already created, but there'll be a little button down here for you to indicate the video type, whether it's YouTube or Vimeo. If you select YouTube, you just put the URL to the YouTube video in here, and it will automatically import the video to be displayed on your feed. And there it goes. So it's a perfect way for you to be able to get get your videos in front of people who you would like to have see the information that you have to share. So that's a pretty strong function there. Now, the other thing that you have the ability to do is you can write notes that get posted here if you wanted to share little entries with the people that are visiting your profile, your page. You can also get someone to review you. So this page doesn't have any reviews yet, but if we wanted to do a review of this page, let me see if we can find out where that is. Oh my goodness, I can't find where to leave the review. I think I can't review my own page. This is my the page for the newspaper, but there is a link for someone to actually click and leave a review, and that makes it easy again for people to give you testimonials. You got a place to send people to leave you testimonials. You also have a contact form, so you can literally set this up so that when people fill in your contact form, it'll automatically send you an email and let you know what people's questions may be about things you have going on, special deals, and things that you might want to be in communication with your people about. You can also create events right on your page, and there's no discussion in this one right now, but you can actually have people post a topic. It's like having your own forum tied to your fan page. So there's a lot of stuff in here that allows you to engage your community in a discussion. And this is what social media is all about. It's about being social. People are more likely to do business with you when they feel stronger about you, when they feel like they know you better. And this is a great way for you to get people in a position to know you better. So I want to encourage you to immediately get over here and set up a fan page for yourself so that we can see this directory get filled in. If the directory gets filled in, then it becomes more attractive for people who are looking to find merchants they can do business with. Now, the other big update is that we've just, and if you have questions about your fan page functionality, you can feel free to give us a call. We also have this new feature over here. I don't think you can see it within the, there's a little tab to the far left that says feedback, and it allows you to pop up a screen like this where you could actually submit your questions or your concerns or suggestions, any difficulties you're having with the system. So we're improving our ability to respond to your tech support requests and things of that nature as well. Now, the other big development is that I've just taken the wraps off of my new book, 10 Rules for Connected Professionals. This is a free downloadable ebook that teaches you some philosophies and principles that are part of our value system here with Village Connector about how to engage and work with people and kind of to pray with them instead of praying on them. So I want to encourage each of you to go over to theconnectedprofessionals.com, theconnectedprofessionals.com, and fill out the form down here and get on the mailing list to receive the book. It's, as I said, it's free, but I've got to have a way to deliver it to you. So the easiest way to do that is just to have you fill in the form here. And keep an eye out for a confirmation email. Be sure to check your spam box if you don't get it quickly, because you need to confirm your subscription here so that you can get the ebook. Now, the last thing about the ebook, as I said, you can read it yourself and see if there's anything in there that helps you. But if you find that it's helpful, we've also taken it one step further. We've created a new website called justforconnectors.com. And as you can see, it looks very similar to the website I just showed you. But here, you can register if you want to be able to give the ebook away as a follow-up tool. So when you go to networking events, business events, Chamber of Commerce meetings, business referral group meetings, you can give everyone that you meet the ability to plug in to get the ebook, to get an audio version of the ebook, to be invited to 3 free webinars where we're going to be teaching them all kinds of things, and to also be able to get access on an ongoing basis to business and marketing tips, especially centered around relationship marketing. Now, think about how much more powerful it is when you follow up with someone by saying, nice to meet you. By the way, here's a resource that may help you to grow your business, as opposed to immediately trying to get them interested in buying something from you. That's the power of having an automated follow-up system. So the follow-up system itself is free, but we ask that you make a $50 donation to a charity that we're supporting that builds sustainable housing in Haiti. You can find out more about that by watching the video on this page at justforconnectors.com. Whether you decide you want to use the system or not, please be sure to download the ebook for your own purposes so that you can at least see some things that might help you with your business building efforts. Our goal with this program is to help you to become a center of influence in your community where people do business because they like you, not just because you have the best price in town all the time. Sometimes it's not going to be possible for you to do that, and your relationship with people will determine whether they will continue shopping with you. Now, the last thing I want to share with you is that we're just about to make an announcement to the general community about the launch of our smartphone application. I have to confirm with our developers this morning that they finished a few tweaks to it, but Apple has approved it, and we're waiting for the Android version to be finished, have a little tweak done to it. But what that means is that we now have the ability to pull up the community map where the merchants that are participating in the program can all be found on either the website or on their smartphones. And what that means is that when merchants are when people are looking to do business with you, all they've got to do is to pull up the map on their smartphone, and they'll be able to find the businesses that are local to them that they can shop with and save money with the Consumers Win Savings Club card. So what you're seeing here is an example of the map, and you can see as we zoom out that all these icons are showing up here. These are all the merchants, these are some of the merchants that participate in the program. We're in the process of adding you to the map as we speak. So we've got a little more work to do there, but you can see it's filling out very nicely. Imagine if someone could pull up on their phone and hit search and pull up the merchants that were within 1 mile of them that accept the Consumers Win Savings Club card. So if you haven't, grasped that yet, that's going to be the power of being part of Village Connector. Remember, this is included in your membership. It makes it easy for the consumers and easy for you to reach each other. Well, that's going to just about do it for right now. We've got, lots of other stuff coming down the road, but I want to limit ourselves to what we have here. By the time you finish setting up your fan pages and making sure that you're in the Consumers Win directory, we'll be ready with some new things that will help to further enhance your ability to build relationships everywhere you go. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, you know where to find us, so just give us a call. We're here to be of service to you the way that you're here to be of service to your community. Thanks a lot. We'll catch up with you some other time.